Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Kensthetic, and I'm here with you guys today with a new video. So today's video will be another luxury haul. Let me go ahead and move she closer. We're doing another luxury haul, okay? I purchased this item right before quarantine. This was the last item I purchased in a store, and it's just so crazy because I wanted this item forever. I was like, let me sleep on it, let me think about it, let me, get my coins together, let me make sure my pockets are right, and I went ahead and purchased it right before quarantine. So I feel like this is a very special purchase for me because I wanted this for a while. I budgeted my money, I did what I had to do, and I was able to get it. So the bag will be unboxing, well, not really an unboxing, I'm just showing it to y'all because I already wore it and y'all already seen it. But it is the Prada Re-Edition 2005 bag. So that's what we will be looking into today. So before we get started, make sure you guys subscribe to my channel. Go ahead and hit that red subscribe button down below. Give this video a big thumbs up if you enjoy it. If you like this bag, go ahead and give this video a big thumbs up. Drop a comment down below and let me know your thoughts, let me know your opinions, and let me know anything else that may be on your mind. And without further ado, let's go ahead and get started. Okay, so as I mentioned, this is a bag that I wanted for a while. The first place I saw it was on Taina, Emily B's daughter. She had it on Instagram, and I'm like, wow, this bag is really cute. And I was like, okay, I think this is going to be my next designer bag purchase. So I thought about it. I wanted it before Jamaica, and then I was just like, no, let me wait. And once I came back from Jamaica, I got my coins right, and I was like, okay, I'm ready to purchase. So this bag is like a limited edition, re-edition bag. However, you cannot purchase it online. You can't purchase it on Prada's website. It is available on resale websites like StockX and Poshmark, but I personally would not recommend buying it from there, especially if you're watching this video in real time, because it's still available for retail price. So why would you pay resale price when it's still available for retail? So I'm not sure how Prada is operating with these stores being closed, because I know, for instance, I wanted to purchase something from Chanel and they were like, we can't sell you anything, so you have to wait for one of our boutiques to open. So I'm not sure if Prada is the same way as Chanel right now, but I would recommend to call Prada, their customer service, and see if you can order it via the phone or order it online if they have that option now. And even after you watch this video, wait for the stores to open and call them and ask them if they have it. Because say for instance you live in Minnesota and you want to order it and your store in Minnesota does not have it, you can call the New York store, which most likely has it, and they can ship it to you. So that's another option that you have. It's usually sold out in stores. Once a store gets a stock, it usually goes quick. They also have wait lists in stores, so they go ahead and service the people who are on the wait list first, and then the surplus inventory gets put on the floor. So if you have an option to join a wait list, I would recommend that. So that's just some logistics about purchasing the bag. Now let's go ahead and get into it. As I mentioned, I already wore this bag. You guys saw on my Instagram. If you guys follow me, if you don't, make sure you follow me at Kensthetic_. But the bag comes in this cute little duster. And on the duster bag, it says Prada. And then you open it up, and my bag is inside. So I currently have all of the accessories and straps on the bag. But the bag comes with this long strap, which has this mini pouch on it that says Prada. I think this is what mainly attracted me to it, because I'm like, this is a different style bag than other bags that I have and other bags that are on the market. And also on the strap it says Prada. It says Prada, Prada, Prada. And then it also has this silver chain, which I really, really love. I feel like it adds an extra shabazz to the bag. So this bag can be worn two ways. So if you use the long strap, you can wear it as a crossbody. But also if you want to hold it as a handbag, which I did in one of my pictures, I'll go ahead and insert it here. You can go ahead and take the long strap off. And the straps just basically go on with this little clip action situation right here, so it's easy to take it off and put it back on, and then you're left with a handbag, which I really like. So for this bag, how much did I pay? I'll go ahead and put the price on the screen, but I believe it was like $1,200 before taxes. So $1,200 for a bag that can be worn 2 ways. Also, it's black with silver hardware, and I feel like I can get a lot of uses out of this. This is my first bag that is black with silver hardware. I have my YSL envelope bag, but it's black with gold hardware. So I'm very particular with hardware. It's like if I have on silver hardware, you will not catch me with any like gold hardware accessories on. So that's just something I'm big on. So this is the first black bag that I have with silver hardware. And then inside the bag, it currently has like the tissue in it. So I'll go ahead and take it out so you guys can see like what the bag really looks like. And then inside it has, you know, all the credential cards. But once I take the tissue paper out, this is how the bag looks. You can wear it like on your shoulder with the strap. Real cute. Let me get up so y'all can see. You can wear it like this. You can wear it like this. You know how girls be posing like this? Me and my friends find that so funny, but you can wear it like this. And then I'll go ahead and put the strap back on so you guys can see the crossbody option. So I went ahead and strapped the crossbody strap back on. So this is how it can be worn crossbody. So the little pouch just hangs here. You can also put stuff inside of here. It's really small though, so you can't even fit like a Metro card in here. You can fit like your lip gloss. Not even. You can fit a mini Fenty. A joke. I doubt I'm gonna end up putting anything in here, but you can put your mini Fenty in here if need be. But this is how it looks crossbody. Let me go ahead and get myself together so you guys can see the full look. This is how it looks crossbody, and it looks real cute with this bodysuit that I have on right now. And then the bag just sits on your side. Really like it. You can also take this pouch off if you don't want it on, and just wear it like this too. So that's another way you can wear it, but I'll probably keep the pouch on just because I like the pouch. So yeah, this is the last big designer item purchase I made in a while, I believe. I really wanted this bag, and I think it's so cute. I think it's a classic bag. And yeah, so let's see what else I can say. So yeah, I'm trying to think of what else I wanted to say about the bag. I think that's about it. How I plan on wearing this bag. It's a great traveling bag. So with me, when I'm traveling, I like to have a fanny pack or a crossbody bag so I can quickly get my phone, get my passport, get my boarding pass, or whatever I need. So this is probably going to be my go-to travel bag now. Of course, I also have like my carry-on suitcase or like my backpack, but for the most part, this will be my mini bag that will have all of my essentials in it. It is a small bag, so I feel like I'm obsessed with smaller bags. So if I have a big bag, I'm going to pack it. I'm going to make sure that it is filled to the brim. I'm going to make sure that each and every gap of the bag is occupied. So that's why I prefer smaller bags, because I'm just like, okay, what do I need? I need my wallet, I need my lip gloss, I need my phone, and I should be good. So that's why I prefer smaller bags over bigger bags, because if not, your girl will be traveling with a load. Okay, so that's all I have for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed. Comment down below and let me know what you guys think of this bag. Do you guys plan on picking it up? Do you guys like it? Do you guys not like it? Comment down below and let me know. Is this a bag you guys have been trying to find? If you guys have any questions about how you can get this bag, then comment down below and I will try to help you guys to the best of my ability. In case you guys don't know, I'm always shopping. Even though I'm window shopping, I feel like I'm always browsing. So if you guys need help finding anything, I'm usually, you know, I'm able to help here and there. So make sure you guys DM me or comment on this video and let me know if you guys need help with getting this bag. I'm not sure if I'll do any luxury hauls anytime soon because I'm trying to save my money. But if I do see a good item on sale during the Essence sale or the Farfetch sale, which should be coming soon, then I will be making a purchase. In case you guys did not see my video about the Essence sale as well as my wish list for that sale, I'll go ahead and link that video above. But that sale is going on right now. It's not as great as previous years, I will say that now, but it's a great way to get designer items in case you guys are interested. So that's all I have for today's video. Make sure you guys subscribe before you head out. Hit that red subscribe button down below. Give this video a big thumbs up if you enjoy. Drop that comment down below and make sure you have your post notifications on because I'm posting each and every day of quarantine. I'm giving y'all fresh new content each and every day. So make sure you guys are subscribed and your post notifications are on. And until tomorrow's video, I'll see you guys later.